What's the meaning of Anglo-Catholicism? Anglo-Catholicism. 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 Anglo-Catholicism.
Anglo-Catholicism refers to a tradition of High Church Anglicanism that emphasizes the continuity of the Church with pre-Reformation Catholicism. It emphasizes the importance of liturgy, sacraments, and apostolic succession, as well as the veneration of saints, Mary, and the use of traditional religious practices and vestments. Anglo-Catholicism also emphasizes social justice and ecumenism. The movement has had a significant impact on the Anglican Communion, influencing its liturgical practices, theology, and ecclesiology.